Your life today doesn't define your future. What matters is knowing what you want your life to become. When I came to the United States in 1992, I was 23 years old. Didn't speak any English, had no connections, and just 2 weeks later, I ended up being homeless on the streets of New York City with $20 to my name and no one to ask for help. I had no backup plan. The only plan I had, I will make it happen. 18 months later, I started my first business with no capital, and over the past 30 plus years, I've built multiple businesses in different industries. Survived 2008 real estate crash, navigated through COVID-19 pandemic, and no matter the challenge, I always stayed committed to move forward. Today, as a 10x business coach, I help business owners to grow their companies. I show them how to make 30% more money in 90 days or less, streamline their operations, and boost profits using proven systems and technology. Let's connect. Let's build something amazing together. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you soon.